everyone. Back again. I have a small haul to share with you. I popped into an antique store on Wednesday. I believe it was Wednesday, this past Wednesday. Just popped in. I had only about 20 minutes to spend, so I couldn't see very much of what they had because this place is really, really big. But I'm excited to show you a few of the things that I picked up. One of them, and there's no way I can get it all into the camera, one of them was this beautiful tablecloth. It measures approximately 6 feet by 8 feet, and it's just gorgeous. I bought it with the intention that I might actually take it apart and use the little crocheted things. But yeah, there's no big holes in it. There's only a few stains on it. It was really, really well taken care of. And so I just don't know if I can bear cutting it up. So I think I will probably just end up hand washing this, maybe fill my washer up, fill my washer tub up and hand washing it in my washer, or maybe hand washing it in the bathtub, and line drying it and putting it on my own table. I wasn't in the market for a tablecloth for my own table, but it is in really good condition. So I paid $25 for it. I really don't know if that is the going price or not. He didn't have it marked. It was in a pile of things he had not marked yet. And I was just and he said, make me an offer. And so I had no clue really what to offer. So I based the $25 amount off of, I've bought some vintage napkins and table runners and things like that in the past, and I thought, well, this thing is ginormous. It's heavy. I mean, it is so heavy. I couldn't tell you how much it weighs. Probably 4 or 5 pounds. I threw $25 out there, and he milled around and really had to think about it for a while. He's like, oh, and finally he's like, all right. Yeah. So that's what I paid for that. It was worth it to me. I don't know if that's what I should have paid for, but that's what I did. And yeah. Okay. So I also found a few, well, I shouldn't say a few. There's more like a couple hundred of them here. Few sets though of receipts from some bottling companies. These are all local Indiana receipts. Not my local town, but a town probably about an hour away from me. So these are from bottling companies where they had delivered soda to local businesses. And I thought these were really interesting. They're from the 50s. So they're not, they're not super old. They're not antique, but they are vintage. So I thought those were kind of cool. Some of them have these advertisements on the back of them. So anyway, those are cool. There's these. Then this one was Whistle Vest Bottling Company. This one was Bird Brothers Knee High Bottling. So I don't know what knee high was, but yeah. The prices I thought was interesting. This was 6 cases of this soda pop, and it was $9. So that's pretty cheap. Can't buy that for that now. Yeah, here's 6 cases of Royal Crown Cola, 6 cases of bottles, or 6 cases of quarts, $5. Yep. Okay, and then this was Nesbitt Bottling Company. Oh, and these still had like the carbon stuff on the back of them. And then this set was from Nesbitt Bottling Company. And I noticed that they had Squirt. So I don't know if that's like today's modern Squirt soda pop that we drink. And then here's Dad's. So I don't know if that's like Dad's root beer, because that's still around today. I don't know. anyway, thought that was kind of neat. Some of them are in color and black and white, and I must have lost it in the stack. Yeah, I don't see it in here. But one of them I noticed, oh, here it is. It's on this one. This one here, 12/24 of 1952. So this was Christmas Eve of 1952, and I thought, well, that's kind of neat. My dad was born in 1952, so that would have been his first Christmas. So it would have been Christmas Eve of him being a baby. So I thought that was kind of neat. I was going to show him that one. No, I don't know that he'll care, but I thought it was kind of neat. And then this is a score pad for, I don't play a lot of cards, so I'm not sure what it's, is it maybe for spades, the game spades, or bridge, or what? I don't know, but they were nice and aged naturally. So I thought those would be kind of fun to use to alter those. And a couple more things. Girls. Golden girls, they're all wound up. Mom's on camera, so they have to be wound up. This is a set of linen napkins, and I love using like this linen type fabric for book covers. But I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. I may use them for book covers. I may use them just to put in something here or there. I'm not sure. But that was the napkins. And then it also came with the placemats that matched. Okay. And it had these beautiful edging. So I thought that would be really pretty to do some layering with. And so there was placemats. There was 4 placemats and 4 napkins. And that was that set. And then let me show you the other set. The other set was just plain linen napkins. They don't have any embroidery or anything on them. Girls, oh my goodness. Sorry about that. So they're just plain, but I like it. And then it came with this little bonus. I don't know. It's sort of, I'm not sure what it is, because here's a table covering, a square table covering, and this matches it. So I don't think it's a hanky. Maybe you guys can tell me what it is, why you would have a perfectly square, and there was just one of them. So I don't know what it, if it was like maybe a little fingertip towel, or maybe you used it to poke out of the bread basket. I don't know. But it had this little square table covering. Let me open it up, see about how big it is. It's about 3 feet square, about 3 feet square. And it has this pretty embroidery on it, and then it has the matching little peeky holes, for lack of a better term. But actually, I plan on putting this one on my great-grandmother's sewing table. So I have her sewing table from, I don't know when it's from, probably the 30s maybe. But my daughter and my husband restored it for me, and I have my own sewing machine sitting on it now. That's where I sit and sew. But I have a little piece of fabric underneath my sewing machine to keep the table from getting scratched again, and I thought this would be really pretty to put under it. So that's where that's going to go. Anyway, it wasn't much, just a few things I wanted to share with you and just say hi and chat for a minute. So show you my goodies. So because you guys are the only ones that understand this kind of stuff. All right. I am going to let you go. I will be back very, very soon. I've got a couple tutorials in the works and some things I've promised you guys that I would show you how to do. So I will be back for that. And then keep an eye open for some sneak peeks. I am starting a huge project. I'm not going to let out any details yet, but keep your eyes open for that. So that's what I'm working on. All right. Well, it is now October, so happy fall, y'all. All right. Take care, everyone. Be safe. Happy crafting. Stay well. Bye-bye.